our institute. Myself, Monali Nanavati, and I am heading this placement cell. Today on this expert chat, I have invited one of the best 3 qualified chartered accountants who are the proud Navkarite, and they are right now working with Big Four. And सबको पता है कि हर once they are being chartered accountant, qualified chartered accountant, it's a dream job. तो मैं आज इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी सीए सुरीन मेहता, सीए फेनिल सोनी एंड सीए रिद्धि वेद. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Might be doing work from home and doing good time with spending a time with family also. So we'll start with a brief introduction of everyone, and we'll start with Sureen. So Sureen, can you just brief me about yourself, please?
Hello, ma'am, and hello all the viewers. I'm Sureen Mehta, and I cleared my chartered accountancy in recent attempt in November 19, and of course a proud Navkarite. And now I'm working with the direct tax practice of one of the Big Fours in Ahmedabad. Thank you.
We'll move to Riddhi Ved.
Yeah, hello friends, I'm CA Riddhi Ved, recently qualified CA in November 19 exams, and I have been selected in indirect tax department in one of the Big Fours.
We'll move to Fenil now.
Hello friends, Fenil here. I am freshly qualified chartered accountant, recently cleared in November 19 only. I have done my articleship from mid-size firm in Ahmedabad only. I have been part of Navkar Institute since CPT. Right now it is CA Foundation course, and joined Big Four in tax department.
Yeah. So now थोड़ा मुझे ये पूछना है कि I think it's a dream job for every qualified chartered accountant once they are been to a Big Four or a corporate, right? And even I am very happy that you all got this opportunity through Navkar placement. And मुझे थोड़ा आपसे it should be like मैं कोई आपका इंटरव्यू नहीं ले रही हूँ. आप जो बोल रहे हो वो आपके जूनियर कलीग्स को ही जाना है, जूनियर जो सीए को परस्यू कर रहे हैं अभी, राइट? तो आफ्टर दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन किसी को लगता है कि मैं सीए कर रहा हूँ, आगे मेरी करियर क्या है? एवरीबडी हैज ऑलरेडी थॉट ऑफ देयर करियर, बट आफ्टर टॉकिंग टू यू दे हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज इनके एग्जाम्स भी अभी पोस्टपोन हो चुके हैं, तो दे आर माइट लिटिल बिट नर्वस. तो शायद ये आपकी बातों से उनको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाए. तो पहले मैं पूछना चाहूंगी रिद्धि से. रिद्धि, रिद्धि आपको कैसा लग रहा है? हाउ डू यू फाइंड जॉइनिंग अ बिग फोर? इज इट अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू? आपको लग रहा है?
Yes, ma'am, those are the words, dream come true. मैंने सीए ज्वाइन किया था, तब से मैंने सोचा था कि मैं आर्टिकलशिप वहां से करूंगी डेफिनेटली, और जॉब मुझे वहीं से मिल जाएगी. But due to some reasons, I was not able to go there for articleship. So when I got the offer letter, tears rolled down from eyes. कि finally चलो सीए करना worth it रहा.
सही बात है, सही बात है. सुरीन, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, Big Four for any student who joins chartered accountancy, the course of chartered accountancy. This is one of the biggest dreams of any CA student. And yes, I was able to get the interview through Navkar, and fortunately, I was able to convert it into a job. So yes, it was also a dream come true for me too.
Very nice, very nice. Fenil?
Yes, ma'am. It is really a great feeling to be to clear the exams in first attempt and crack the 4-level interview procedure of the Big Four. That is HR level, technical round, partner interview, and written test. So very happy.
Yes. See, I really would like to brief here कि जो भी होता है, it's always a hard work that you all students did during your last 5 years. And as if you get the support from us, from your parents, the blessings and everything made you this job possible. Actually क्या रहता है पता है, हम सब ने सुना है सीए कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? I mean, everybody has that fear in their mind, right? But I think all of you three has, cracked the exams मे बी एट फर्स्ट और एग्जैक्टली एट सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट. तो मुझे ये भी जानना है कि आपने जो एग्जाम क्रैक किया विच इज द फर्स्ट और सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट, आई मीन कौन बोलना चाहेगा, कौन मुझे बताएगा कि हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ डिड यू क्रैक योर एग्जाम्स, आपने क्या किया तो ये सीए का जो आपका फियर है वो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी में चेंज हो गया. वी कैन स्टार्ट विथ सुरीन. सुरीन, आप मुझे थोड़ा बहुत बताइए, आपकी आर्टिकलशिप के बारे में भी मुझे थोड़ा ब्रीफ कीजिए.
यस मैम, ये जो सीए फाइनल मोर स्पेसिफिकली जो पूरा 3 साल का पीरियड है, इट इज अ ग्रूवलिंग पीरियड, क्योंकि पढ़ाई भी होती है, साथ साथ में ऑफिस भी होती है, ऑफिस का प्रेशर भी होता है, सुबह शाम क्लासेस होते हैं. सो ये सब एक साथ मैनेज करना ये एक इजी बात तो नहीं है, और यही एक मेन रीजन है कि सीए फाइनल का जो रिजल्ट है वो इतना कम आता है. But if you are proactive, if right from the start of the course, अगर आपको if you determine that you want to clear it in the first attempt, तो automatically चीजें एक साथ मैनेज होना चालू हो जाती है. और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो है वो यहाँ पे टाइम मैनेजमेंट है, कहाँ पे किसको कितना टाइम देना, ऑफिस में कब बंक मारना, कब बंक नहीं मारना, कब क्लास अटेंड करना, कब क्लास अटेंड नहीं करना. ये एक आर्ट है जो अगर आपने मास्टर कर लिया तो आपकी जर्नी थोड़ी इजी हो जाती है. एंड मोर स्पेसिफिकली जो लास्ट के 6 months या 5 months जो रीडिंग वेकेशन के मिलते हैं, at the end of the day, the entire I mean it all depends on how you manage this 5 or 6 months of reading vacation. So I believe that regardless of how your previous 2 years were, if you are able to manage this 5-6 months and you are able to use it effectively to your advantage, तो आपकी जो जर्नी है वो जल्दी खत्म हो सकती है पहले अटेम्प्ट.
वेरी नाइसली सेड, वेरी नाइसली सेड. सो आई मीन मोटा मोटा आप कहना चाहते हो कि हार्डवर्क pays, along with that time management is also required.
Definitely.
Very nice, very nicely said. Fenil, now we'll move forward to you. आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Starting from the journey, it begins with CPT. So being with Naukar has a very robust system for CPT and IPCC. So just be with the system. मैंने सिर्फ सिस्टम फॉलो की and nothing else. And if I tell about the final, because of the articleship and outstation audit and work, I was not able to attend all the lectures. But what proves to be most helpful was the Naukar video lectures application that I used in the last 6 months. So that was very beneficial for the subjects SFM, Forex, derivatives in FR, Index. So that was a great part to be now. To have that application provided to students.
Very true. And how do you find the exam series and everything with Navkar Institute?
Ma'am, as I said, it has a very robust system. If we are connected with the system, then we can easily clear the exam.
Yes.
There are prelims already set for the CA final. 3 prelims exams are set for each and every subject.
Okay. Nicely said. Riddhi, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Yes ma'am, I am at Navkar since CPT. So छोटी थी तब से यहाँ हूँ, CA बन गई तब तक यहाँ ही थी. In placement also Navkar Institute has helped a lot. So I would like to say कि CPT और final IPCC तक क्या होता है? We get all the guidance from faculties and everyone. You know, we are used to all these things. Final में suddenly you have to face the outside world as well. That is office. And managing the office and lectures at the same time is quite a difficult task. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में 1 साल आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कैसे चला गया, 2 साल, और फिर आपको रियलाइज होगा कि ओह नेक्स्ट 6 months में एग्जाम है, हाउ टू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से वन थिंग इज 6 months पहले ना, बिफोर द एग्जाम्स व्हेन यू गेट लीव, मेक श्योर कि आपकी सब नोट्स रेडी हो, आप सब फैकल्टी को मिल लिए हो फॉर ऑल द मटीरियल एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड व्हाट फेनिल राइटली सेड वाज, I was not able to attend lectures because I met with an accident in final. So I was on bed rest for 1.5 months. So meanwhile IDT का काफी सारा portion I missed out. But then because of this Naukar application, I was able to access the lectures. And definitely lectures के साथ साथ what we have to do is writing practice. We cannot do the final practice at ICI, right? So we need to practice this at Naukar exams. यहाँ पे जो भी गलतियां हो एग्जाम्स में, मेक श्योर दैट दे डोंट गेट रिपीटेड एट द ICI एग्जाम्स. So post analysis of NAVCAR exams, everything, you know, if you write 3 papers here of each subject, then it's definitely you would be able to complete the 100-mark paper in ICI exams. So test practice यहाँ पे कर लेने की, and final we should play at ICI exams.
Very rightly said. Very rightly said. That is why this institute is, not making only the qualified CA but the leaders in the industries since last many of the years. Now, Fanil and Riti both said that NAVCAR application. Here, I would like to introduce. You all three has been a part of NAVCAR Institute, wherein you took the physical lectures, right? But you must be knowing that now we have been introduced with the NDI, that is NAVCAR Digital Institute. Basically here now we are working on it very passively, seeing to the current situation. Since last 2.5 months, the classes are not happening, right?
Yes.
But the students who are, with NAVCAR Institute do not have any fear for completion of that course. And this is all because of NDI. It's basically I would just like to brief you as if you have already now been through NAVCAR. बट आप यहीं से पढ़े हो तो मैं थोड़ा आपको ब्रीफ करना चाहूंगी कि NAVCAR डिजिटल इंस्टीट्यूट क्या है. इट्स एन वर्चुअल ऐप, राइट, wherein you are getting the recorded lecture as well as the live lectures. And आप जब पढ़े हो, you must be knowing that all are the renowned faculties. But now we have already, introduced faculties which are now giving lectures across India. So we have hired many of the renowned faculties, maybe from Mumbai, from Delhi, and from the other part of India. So yes, with the blessing of God and the hard working of all the NAVCAR staff, we are absolutely doing fine with the NDI. So, अच्छा लग रहा है कि now not only within Ahmedabad or Gujarat, we are having the students across from India. तो एक ये अच्छी बात है. ये आपने मुझे बताया कि एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन आपने कैसे की, राइट? बट अल्टीमेटली हर एक का क्या ड्रीम होता है? जॉब इज दी, राइट?
यस.
मुझे मेरे एक सिंधी फ्रेंड थे, मुझे बोलते थे, मोनाली कुछ भी कर ले, पैसे दिखते हैं मेरे को, तो पैसे यानी पैसा दिखता है. ऑल आर थ्री द स्टार्स ऑफ NAVCAR who got a good package, I know. And with the Big Four. So it was your first interview and you cracked it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for the Big Four interview, you have to pass through levels different. First is HR round, then technical round is there, then partner round, and then fourth is written test. So not only only technical knowledge is not required. You should have. They assess you overall. Overall, they assess you. So from first for HR round, you have they.
It will be edited. You go on. It will be edited. You go on. Don't worry.
So there are 4 levels. First is HR round, second is technical round session, third is partner round, and fourth is written test. So from NAVCAR, I got help from the sessions organized by them, that career to campus interview program was there. So it proved to be very helpful in cracking the interview. And second, for technical, to crack the technical session, I brushed up the provisions and sections of the taxation department where I got.
कि ये campus interview था, तो you and me were going in the same lift, और आपने मुझे बोला था कि मैम पसीने छूट रहे हैं, right? Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. हाँ, तो मतलब बिग फोर का इंटरव्यू है तो पसीने तो छूटने ही है, नो डाउट. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, आप फ्रेशर हो और आपका पहला इंटरव्यू है तो पसीने छूटना इज वेरी वेरी मच ऑब्वियस.
Yes, of course.
वेरी मच एक्सपेक्टेड. बट प्रिपरेशन तो करनी ही पड़ेगा, भले वो बिग फोर का हो या कोई भी और इंटरव्यू हो. More specifically, I brushed up on my CV. I made sure that my CV is tailor-made for the JD for which I was applying. मैंने आर्टिकलशिप में जो काम किया है उसको एक बार ब्रश अप कर लिया कि मोस्टली दे ग्रिल यू थ्रू योर सीवी. आपने आर्टिकलशिप में जो काम किया हो अगर आपको वो अच्छे से आता हो so they do not have an issue, and if you are confident enough in what you have done and जो आपने किया है वही आपने लिखा है so बहुत दिक्कत नहीं आती है. मेनली एज फेनिल से कि आपकी टेक्निकल स्किल्स ही सफिशिएंट नहीं है, साथ साथ वो आपके एटिकेट्स, वो आपकी बिहेवियरल पैटर्न्स भी देखते हैं स्पेसिफिकली एचआर राउंड में. And if you are aware of your strengths and weaknesses of your background, and if you are aware of what you have done in your articleship, तो बहुत दिक्कत नहीं आती है. एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप जिस फील्ड के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आपको उसके प्रोविजंस और उसके रिसेंट अमेंडमेंट्स भले आपके एग्जाम के बाद आए हैं तो वो आपको होने चाहिए.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. रिद्धि, आप आप तो मुझे पता है कि जैसे आप आई थी मेरे पास कि मैम कुछ भी करना है, बिग 4 तो क्रैक करना ही करना है. एंड yes. I know the way you talk to me, the way you went and meet the sir and everything I know. But आपकी जुबानी सुनना चाहेंगे?
Yes. So ma'am, I got 3 days to prepare for the interview. नौकार से कॉल आया था that your CV has been shortlisted. So are you interested in the interview? I said yes, obviously I am interested. And then what I did in 3 days was मैंने ना पूरा background I made a word file and पूरा background और वो सब मैंने लिख लिया. The HO of the company, what type of clients they have, what work they do, in what fields they are, suppose in audit, taxation, everything. So A to Z of company. It took some time, but I did that.
Yes.
And talking about the interview, let's start from HR round. From HR, they will ask the basic questions, right? Your strengths, your weakness. So basically, HR would be related to your CV. They would ask questions from your CV only. So I would just like to add one point that never write only those things what you have actually done in your articleship in your CV, because they would take up each and every word from that. So mostly they check the confidence and communication skills in HR. So if we clear that, then comes technical round 1. In that they would test us from each and every aspect regarding the JD they want. In my CV, it was regarding indirect tax. So I was asked each and everything about indirect tax, why and what and when did it came and everything, And I also read the recent amendments from the budget. So that helped me a lot. And after that, I was given a written test. So there are mostly 3 or 4 rounds, depending on which department you get selected. And all these things, if I sum up, took 1.5 hour or 2 hours totally.
Right. आप तीनों ने बहुत अच्छी बात की, पर शायद आप एक छोटी सी बात भूल गए. प्लेसमेंट सेल से आपको इंटरव्यू का चांस तो मिला, बट देयर इज अ प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड कैंपस टू करियर. I think Riddhi and I don't know Sureen and Fenil has done that or not, but I mean I'm talking about all the students who are giving their final exams, and before their result we introduce this program.
Yes.
Right? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप लोगों के शायद आर्टिकलशिप पेंडिंग हो या कुछ हो तो you are not able to join that program. We keep it in the morning and wherein we groom our students for interviews and the techniques. We call the industrial experts. I think that we do it in your articleship also, pre-articleship program, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
This is all I want to say. I mean, now the placement is also giving their full support for students to get a good job.
Yeah, ma'am, adding one point.
Yeah.
For this placement which is going on. So ma'am, after exams, we are not eligible to suddenly appear for the interview, right? We have been this 6 months, we have been studying and everything. So through this placement cell, I was introduced to what to wear for the interviews, how to talk, how to present myself professionally. This is also very important
Yes.
for each interview. So these were the key points which I learned from.
Yeah, very true, very true. So this is something like that is why I called all of you. I mean, this last placement season, we did many of the recruitment with banking, with corporates, and with some good firms, CA firms also. Turn by turn, I'm going to invite everyone so they can, definitely focus how the Navkar Institute and NDI is working. So, Riti, if you want to ask me something about more on a placement sale or NDI, you can definitely ask. Anyways,
Yeah, ma'am. So how can NDI be helpful for the students?
NDI, the same way Navkar Institute ने जैसे आपको help किया, these students are going to be from across India. So very soon we are going to introduce a software wherein your entire CV would be, you can upload into that software. And it is something like this software is going to have each and every part of CV. So आप अपना पूरा details भर देंगे, then I can fetch your data, and I really need your help in future. I'll definitely call you up, and you are you are backbone of placement support now. So thank you very much, and thank you very much for your valuable time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.